Hi everyone, welcome to our video. Today we are going to talk about predicted future based off the book of Revelation. We will share some ideas about what people believed will happen in the future and how these predictions were interpreted. So let's start. John, can you begin?
Sure. The book of Revelation includes many symbolic visions. For example, people thought that they described events that could happen at the end of the world. Some predictions sound scary, but others talk about hope and new beginning.
Hi, Lauren and John. Yes, and today we are going to explain some of these predictions in a simple way. We will discuss how people have understood them through the history.
The First Horseman. One of the most famous predictions is the four horsemen of the apocalypse. They represent conquest, war, famine, and death. Many people believe these horsemen will appear in the future and bring big problems to humanity. humanity.
Exactly. In the past, when people saw wars or sickness, they thought these events were signs that the prophecy was happening. They believed that the world would face a lot of chaos.
But today, some people think that horsemen are only symbols. Maybe they represent social problems or global challenges, not real horses coming from the sky. Come on.
The beast. Another prediction is the appearance of the beast. This figure was supposed to deceive people and control the nations.
Yeah, actually, that's correct. Early Christians believed that the beast represented a powerful and a dangerous leader. Throughout the history, people have connected this prophecy to different political figures or government that they consider oppressive.
Additionally, in modern times, many people see that the beast is a symbol of corruption, manipulation, or systems that harm society.
Natural disasters and cosmic scenes. Revelation also mentions natural disasters and strange events in the sky like the sun becoming dark or the moon turning red.
Yeah, and actually, that is amazing because long ago people were very afraid of these signs. They thought that the universe was reacting to the final judgment.
And today, people sometimes relate these ideas to climate change, eclipses, or other global events, but more in a symbolic way.
The final battle and the new world. There is also a prophecy about a final battle between good and evil at a place called Armageddon.
Oh wow, that sounds interesting. So keep in mind that some groups think that this will be a real battle in the future, while others believe that it represents the fight between the positive and the negative things in our lives.
But guys, remember something. The prophecy ends with a message of hope. It says there will be a new heaven and a new earth, a peaceful world without suffering.
Interpretation and conclusion. These predictions have changed in meaning through the years. People in the Middle Ages thought the world was ending soon because of wars and disease.
Yeah, and during the 20th century, many believed that the wars were a sign of the apocalypse. Today, most people see Revelation more as a symbolic text than a literal one.
Finally, what we can learn is that these prophecies show human fears, hopes, and ideas about the future, people have always imagined how the world could change.
So this was our discussion about predict future in the book of Revelation. Thank you for watching.
Okay, thank you, Lorena, for that information. And Juan, so we hope this presentation helps you to understand how these predictions were interpreted.
Thank you so much for that, and thank you so much for listening, and see you next time. Bye bye.